So this here is a preset that I made in Lightroom and one that I use all the time when editing my seascape pictures because I love how it adds drama and impact. Now I showed this preset being used in a recent live broadcast I did on my YouTube channel. If you missed it, I've added the link in the description. This preset I also sent out to everyone in my email group and also anyone new who joins. But when I first sent it out, I said that it was for use in Lightroom, when in fact it can also be used in Camera Raw. The difference though is how you install it, and in Lightroom it couldn't be easier. All you need to do when in the Develop module is go to the Presets section, click on the plus symbol, and then choose Import Presets. You navigate to the preset, click on Import, and you're done. Now the preset is listed in a folder called User Presets. You can apply it, and also because it's a preset, adjust any of the settings so that you can fine-tune it to look exactly how you want. In Camera Raw though, in both Mac and Windows, it's a slightly different process. Here I am in Photoshop and I'll go to Camera Raw Filter and then click on Presets. Then I'll click on the three dots, the ellipsis, and choose Import Profiles and Presets. The problem now though is that although I can see the preset I want to import, I can't click on it. It's kind of grayed out. So now we have two options for how we can import the presets, one long way and one very quick way. Here's the long way on Mac, which some people seem to like to use. You go to the Go menu, hold down the Option key to reveal the library option, then click on Application Support, followed by Adobe, Camera Raw, and Settings. And then you need to manually drag the presets into this folder. You then close Camera Raw and reopen it. And there's the preset. Now there's a lot of steps there, but it can be done a lot quicker. Now this is relevant for Mac or Windows. Simply right click on the preset. And in Mac, I'll choose Compress. In Windows, it'll say something like Create Zip File or something like that. Now when we do, we see the preset, but also a zip file of the same name. Now go to Camera Raw, then Presets, click on the ellipsis and choose Import Profile and Presets, navigate to the preset on the desktop, and here I see the preset zip file that I can click on. So I click to highlight it and then choose Import. Now in Camera Raw, without having to restart it, that preset is listed and they're ready to be used. Now you might think that if you've got quite a few presets to import into Camera Raw that you have to do that for every single one, but that's not the case. Simply highlight all of the presets and then right click, and in Mac we'd choose Compress, or in Windows it would say Create Zip File. Here we now see the zip file created, and by default on my computer this one has been named Archive. Then in Camera Raw go to Presets, then Import Profiles and Presets, navigate to the zip file, which in my case was called Archive, and click on Import. Now all of the presets are imported at once and they're ready to be used. Oh, and once you've done this, you don't need to keep the preset files on your desktop or wherever they were when you imported them. Right, that's all for this video, so check out the link in the description for the live recording, and if you haven't yet, click on subscribe because, as you know, that's just a great free way that you can support this channel. But for now, that's me, I'm done. I'll see you in the next video.